Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Paxful application for your Android device. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to download Paxful application for your Android device, first get connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data and tap open Play Store. Go to the search box and type in Paxful and perform your search. You'll be able to see the application displayed on the next page. Tap the green install button right next to the app to begin with the downloading process. Wait until the application gets downloaded on your Android device and you'll be able to use the application just fine. The download process will take a while depending upon your internet speed. If you have a stable internet connection, there should be no problem downloading the application. Soon after you see an open button popping up right next to the app, tap it on to launch the app open. That is how you can easily download Paxful application for your Android device. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.